we are safe at home. In the previous section, we studied how to solve a pair of linear equations by substitution method. Let us study another method, that is elimination method. In this method, we make the coefficients of one variable in both the equations equal and then eliminate this variable by addition or subtraction to get an equation in one variable, which can be solved easily. Let us consider an example. Solve the pair of linear equations by the elimination method. First one, x plus y equal 5 and 2x minus 3y equal 4. Our aim is to solve these equations by elimination method. Okay? Let us consider the equation. This is equation number 1 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4, equation number 2. Then our aim is eliminate any one of this variable. Here, by eliminating one of the variable, equalize any one of these coefficients. How will you equalize the coefficients? One is multiply 2 on the first equation. Other one is multiply 3 on the first equation. When we multiply 3 on this first equation, we can simply add. Okay, so equation 1 into 3 implies 3 into x, 3x plus 3 into y, 3y equal 3 into 5, 15. Okay, we get a new equation, equation number 3. Then, look at these two equations, 2x minus 3y equal 4 and 3x plus 3y equal 15. By adding these two equations, minus 3y plus 3y, it will be eliminate. Okay, so the next step is 2 plus 3. Equation 2 plus 3 implies 2x plus 3x, 5x equal 0. Then 15 plus 4, 19. Therefore, x equal 19 by 5. We get one of the variable, values of 1, x equal 19 by 5. Then, our aim is to find the next variable, y variable. We can substitute this x value in any one of this equation. Here I took the equation number 1 implies, what's the value of x? 19 by 5. 19 by 5 plus y equal 5. Okay, then y equal, transpose this 19 by 5 on right side, 5 minus 19 by 5. That is 25 minus 19 the whole divided by 5 equal 6 by 5. Our y value is 6 by 5. Okay, x is 19 by 5 and y is 6 by 5. Hence, the solution is x equal 19 by 5 and y equal 6 by 5. Okay? Clear? The second question is 3x plus 4y equal 10 and 2x minus 2y equal 2. First of all, rewrite these equations. 3x plus 4y equal 10. Equation number 1 and 2x minus 2y equal 2. Equation number 2. By comparing this coefficient, when we multiply the equation 2 into 2, we can equalize the y variables. Okay, here equation 2 into 2 implies 2 into 2, 4x minus 4y equal 4. We get a new equation, equation number 3. Okay, then copy this equation again, equation number 1. 3x plus 4y equal 10. Equation number 1. Then here 4x minus 4y equal 4, 3x plus 4y equal 10. When we add these two equations, we can eliminate this y variable. Okay. Here, equation 3 plus equation 1 implies 3x plus 4x, 7x. It will be 0 and 14. 10 plus 4, 14. Therefore, x equal 14 by 7, that is equal 2. Then our aim is to find out the next variable. We can substitute this x value in any one of this equation. Okay, here in equation number 1 implies 3 into 2 plus 4y equal 10. Then 6 plus 4y equal 10. 4y equal 10 minus 6. Therefore 4y equal 4. Y equal 4 by 4 equal 1. Here the y value is 1. X value is 2. So hence the solution is, what's the solution? X equal 2 and y equal 1. Okay? Is it clear? The next question is 3x minus 5y minus 4 equals 0 and 9x equal 2y plus 7. First of all, rearranging this equation, we can write 3x minus 5y equal 4. Minus 4 transpose on right side plus 4. That is equation number 1. And here 9x minus 2y equal 7. 9x minus 2y equal 7. That is equation number 2. Here, when we compare these coefficients, when we multiply equation 1 into 3, here the coefficients of x are equal. Okay, so the step is equation number 1 into 3 implies 9x minus 3 into 5, 15y equal 3 into 4, 12. Get a new equation, equation number 3. Then copy this equation. No need to copy. Here we can write, look at the equations. 9x minus 2y equals 7 and 9x plus 15y equal to 12. Here 9x plus 9x, this is also plus 9x. Here the operation is subtraction, then only it will be eliminated. Okay, so equation 2 minus 3 implies, when we subtract, here change the sign. Okay, then you can simply add. Here 9x minus 9x, it will be 0. Then minus 2y plus 15y, that is 13y equal 7 minus 12 equal 5 minus 5. Okay. Therefore, y equal minus 5 by 13. Then our aim is to find out the x value. Substitute this y value in any one of this equation. Equation number 1 implies, what's the y value? Minus 5 by 13. Here 3x minus 5 into minus 5 by 13 equal 4. Okay. Then 3x plus 25 by 13 equal 4. Then transpose this 25 by 13 on right hand side. 3x equal 4 minus 25 by 13. 3x equal 4 into 13. 52 minus 25 all divided by 13. 3x equal 27 by 13. Therefore, x equal 27 by 13 into 3. This multiplication change into division. Here we can cancel one time. Here 9. That is equal 9 by 13. X value is 9 by 13 and y equal minus 5 by 13. So the solution is x equal 9 by 13 and y equal minus 5 by 30. Okay. The next question. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal minus 1 and x minus y by 3 equal 3. Okay, rewrite these equations. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal minus 1, equation number 1, and x minus y by 3 equal 3, equation number 2. When we comparing these coefficients, here 1 by 2, here x, 3 by 2, here minus 1 by 3. Okay, when we multiply this equation by 2, here plus 2 by 3y and here minus 2y by 3. When we simply add, we can eliminate the y value. Okay, here equation 2 into 2 implies equation 2 into 2, 2x minus 2y by 3 equal 6. We get a new equation, equation number 3, and copy this equation. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal minus 1, equation number 1. Here when we add these two equations, we can eliminate this y value, y variable. Here equation 3 plus equation 1 implies here 2x plus x by 2, that is equal 5x by 2. Okay, here 5x by 2 plus this is 0. Okay, then we are adding 5. 5x by 2 equal 5. What about x? X equal multiplication change into division and division change into multiplication. 5 into 2 by 5. Here 5 cancel. X equal 2. Clear? Then substitute this x value in any one of this equation. Here first equation implies 2 by 2, x equal to 2 by 2 plus 2y by 3 equal minus 1. Again, this is 1. This 1 change to right side, minus 1. 2y by 3 equal minus 1 minus 1. That is 2y by 3 equal minus 2. Again, y equal minus 2 into 3 by 2 equal minus 3. Okay. The solution is x equal 2 and y equal minus 3. Is it clear? The next question. X plus y equal a minus b and ax minus by equal a square plus b square. First of all, rewrite these equations. X plus y equal a minus b, equation number 1, and ax minus by equal a square plus b square, equation number 2. Here consider these coefficients, here 1 and 1, here a and minus b. So when we multiply b on the first equation, minus by and plus by will be cancelled. So we can write equation number 1 into b implies bx, b into x, bx, again b into y plus by equal b into a, ab, b into minus b, minus b square. Clear? This b, multiply this b on all the terms. B into x, bx, b into y, by, and b into b, b square, b into a, ab. Okay. Again, this is equation number 3. New equation, equation number 3. And Here ax bx minus by plus by minus by plus by. When we add, this will cancel. Okay, so the next step, equation 2 plus equation 3 implies here ax plus bx 0, that is equal to here a square plus b square plus ab minus b square. Adding this constants, a square plus b square plus ab minus b square. Then minus b square and plus b square will cancel. Here the first two terms, x is common, take outside. A plus b into x. Okay, when we open this bracket, ax plus bx. A plus b into x. Look at these two terms which is common. Here a square, ab. A is common, take outside. A into a plus b. Here this a plus b and a plus b we can cancel. Therefore x equal a. Or we transpose this multiplication by division, it will be cancelled. Okay, x equal a. Then our aim is to find out the y value. So substitute this x value in any one of this equation. Here x equal a. First equation, a plus y equal a minus b. Okay, then transpose this on right side. Y equal a minus b minus a. This a change it to minus a. Here minus a and plus a cancel. Y equal minus b. Okay. Here the solution is x equal to a and y equal minus b. Solution is x equal a and y equal minus b. Is it clear? Okay. Today's class is over. The remaining questions you can watch the next video.